Hi, I'm Travis Bergens, Midwest, Northeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. The plant-based protein market is growing rapidly. It was close to $5 billion at the end of 2020. And by 2023, it's estimated to grow another 30%. The market is projected to represent 1/3 of the overall protein consumed by the year 2054. The unit behind me is the 12th cooking cooling system we've shipped in the last 18 months. Lyco has been supplying systems in the plant-based protein market for the past 17 years and has been a recognized leader in the food industry for more than 4 decades. Plant-based proteins are typically made from soybeans, split peas, garbanzo beans, or lentils. Most of these products need to be hydrated and cooled or have a kill step for making alternative products such as tempeh or tofu. Finished products are then packaged, requiring post-pasteurization and cooling in the package. Lyco offers both rotary drum and Clean-Flow systems. For deflavoring split peas, soybeans, garbanzo beans, or lentils, Lyco offers continuous steam blanching or pressure steam cooking. Lyco Vapor Flow technology uses no water and is a proven design for atmospheric steaming. If you need post-packaged cooking or pasteurizing and cooling of protein alternatives in a pouch, such as sausages, sliced deli proteins, or any vacuum sealed protein alternative, Lyco Chill Flow can heat and cool products with first in, first out technology. So to learn more about how Lyco Manufacturing can help you with your cooking cooling needs, visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call the main office at 920-623-4152.